Hi, I recently had a question from a YouTube subscriber who'd watched one of my videos on layers and wanted to know how they could quickly get back to that layers screen. Now that Canva's changed its design screen, so you have a much bigger space to design on, which is great, you do lose the sidebars all the time. I thought I'd just go through and show you how you can lock or keep your sidebars, or in the case of the position one, find it very easily. I'm Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva Canvassitor. Let's go over to my screen and take a look. I'm in a free ebook that I created recently, and it has lots of different pages, so I thought it'd be a useful example to demonstrate. First of all, let's look at sidebars and locking that. When you scroll down here, you can just see as you scroll through, they change colors. They're not there permanently, which is what they used to be, but it's still easy to correct. All you have to do is one click on design, for example, and you can then scroll through. If I click on elements, do the same one click, and then I can go to see all the elements I've used recently, or go back and just get the locked in screen and can go down the other options that are there. If I want to close that panel, all I have to do is collapse it or use Control \. That's easy in terms of the bars down the side. I find it particularly useful for my brand kit. I want to keep that while I'm making changes. Now, the one that was more problematic for my subscriber, who was at Moray Moments, and thank you for the question, was how can you fix the position one? Position on layers is when you need to get at something that's tucked behind something else, or you need to just move things around. And if they are behind, depending on what order you put your information on, you can't get at them. You need to click the position button, and here I've got it on layers. You have a range where you can send things forward and backwards and align them, or you have layers. And you can see the overlapping layers or all layers. Now this is fixed, and I can go into any of these that I put up, possibly in different orders. This one, if I scroll down, you can see this at the bottom of the page. I have no idea why this is in the middle. I must have moved it around at some point. I need to click on it to edit it. And the various elements of the design you can see are here. That stays up as I go on to another page, which is great. I'm now on a different page, and again, as I click on the boxes, I can then go in and edit that particular box. If I click out by any chance, I lose it all completely. The quick way that Moray Matters found, and then I found worked as well, is on your keyboard, whether you're using a Mac or a Windows PC, is just click Option 1. And voila, your position window is back, which is great. And it saves a lot of time in terms of going backwards and forwards, having to go to position and then layers. A very quick tip today, showing how you can get your position sidebar quickly back on your page. I hope that helped. And if you found this useful, then please do subscribe and you'll be notified when I record new videos.